Hello everybody, I'm Heather Knox, Chief Executive here in NHS Lanarkshire, and welcome to my weekly video for staff. I'll start off with the COVID numbers, heading in the right direction, which is good. So we're now at a situation where we have 63 inpatients across our inpatient facilities within Lanarkshire. And if you think back to the end of July, we had 163, so we have reduced the number of patients in the hospital with COVID, which has to be a positive thing. 4 outbreaks in care homes at the moment, and 1 patient in ICU, and the community incidence is sitting at 65. So again, that's down. That's a weekly incidence number, so we'll update that towards the end of the week. And also our staff sickness, which has been at or above 1%, has now shifted down to 0.9. So that's again a really helpful improvement, because workforce has been the key issue over these last 3 weeks, just making sure we have enough staff to provide the services that we need to for our public. I wanted to talk about a couple of other things. So we have launched the autumn vaccination campaign for staff, so please do have a look at the website. You can access it through NHS Inform. We'll put the link online today alongside this video as well, to make sure that people can access it. And just get yourself booked in if you're eligible. You will be offered your flu vaccination alongside your COVID vaccination if you're eligible. So please do get that done, and hopefully that will put us in a good position going into the winter with staff immunised against both COVID and flu. So just really encourage you to do that. I've booked my own, just to let you know, because I'm now sadly over 50, so I'm eligible for that. So I have booked that already, and it was actually really easy to do. If you've got your wee number from last time, your password and your username, you can easily log in through the portal and get that done. Secondly, we are out to consultation around our sustainability and climate change policy. So there's an opportunity for you to comment on that. Very, very quick to do. It will take you 30 seconds or something to do. It's really very quick. If you go into the link, have a read of the policy, see if you think there are things missing. We've got an opportunity to contribute to that, to shape that. So again, if you feel strongly about that, or if you just want to contribute, please do so. We welcome comments on that. Sustainability is part of our kind of triple lens that we work with in Lanarkshire, so addressing inequalities, promoting well-being and ensuring environmental sustainability are the 3 things that lie at the heart of all of our strategies. So this is a really important piece of work for us. There'll be things in there that you recognise: how to reduce the impact of the NHS footprint, looking at things like gases within theatres, and a whole host of other pieces of work, particularly around procurement, travel, etc. So do have a look at it. It's a really exciting strategy, and it's actually really easy to read because there's lots of graphics in it. So it's a good read, and I hope you enjoy it and get the opportunity to comment. And finally, just wanted to say that last week I had the pleasure of spending some time with our community colleagues. So I was in North communities in Motherwell initially, and met a whole lot of staff that work within the Motherwell locality, and I then went on to visit the NHS staff and actually also the Governor and the Deputy Governor out at Shotts Prison, which was very interesting. So myself and the Chair really enjoyed that day out, and I just want to say thank you to David, Sharon, Hazel, Lucy and the whole team that made that visit so enjoyable. It's great to see staff out there working, and our staff are our greatest assets, and you prove that to me every time that I go out and visit. So thank you again for hosting us last week. I hope you all have a good weekend when it comes. Thank you.